These all are nerve ending. This one. Okay, these all are called nerve ending. Now, this is a simple structure, but this is not a complete structure. After that, there are special coverings over this axon. This axon, as it is very delicate, it is provided with a cover for protection. Moreover, this cover has some other functions also. Before that, just over this axon, just over these axons runs a fiber-like structure which is called nerve fiber. Just over, I have only one color of marker, so just watch carefully, otherwise you will miss the things. Just over the axon, you have a fibrous structure which is completely attached with this axon, and these are called nerve fibers. Nerve fibers. Correct? These are called nerve fibers. That means nerve fibers are just over the axon. After that, as I told, a covering is there which have nodes. It is not continuous, but there are spaces. Dear students, again I am telling you, I am drawing one by one. Otherwise, I would have drawn the diagram at a time and then I would have started explaining it. But I didn't do it, did in that way. I want to let you know step by step. Otherwise, just after drawing the diagram, complete diagram and leveling it, you will be confused. So, watch it carefully. If you did got the concept at the first time, watch this video again and again. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe it. Correct. So this was the axon which I drew earlier. After that, a fibrous structure which is just attached over it, surrounding, and that fibrous sheet is called nerve fibers. After the nerve fiber, a special thick cover is there. However, this cover is not continuous. It gives uh, nodes between gap spaces there between two sheets, and this covering is all over, not only from one side but from all sides. Likewise, now you can see, correct? This is the covering. This covering is called myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. Okay, myelin sheath. This cover is called myelin sheath. Got it? Myelin sheath. And the gap between two myelin sheath is called as nodes of Ranvier. You can remember by saying nodes of Ranvier. Okay, but this is only to technique to memorize it or learn it. It is called nodes of Ranvier. These are the nerve ending, and on the nerve ending you can see a special protrude. A special protrude. Moreover, at the end of each dendrite there will be same protrude. Now, what is the function of this protrude? We will explain when we will discuss further about it. Firstly, let me explain the part. This node-like structure is at the end of each and every dendrite. I have drawn only few, but remember it is over each and every end of the dendrite or the nerve ending. Now, this axon. Now, impulses. I have already told you about the impulses are stimulus and sensation. Sensation or the impulse, the waves of the sensation are called impulses. Impulses are received as electric current through these dendrites. Okay, and these are passed to the cell body. Now, this cell body contains of all the cytoplasm or the essential substances which is contained in a common cell to provide nourishment and nutrition of the remaining parts. When the impulses enter to the nucleus, after getting nourishment with a new fresh energy, it moves through the axon. the impulses moves to the axon and reaches to the nerve endings, correct? And from where it is transferred to other neuron. So this is one neuron, correct? Neuron to neuron, they are longitudinally connected to each other. One neuron may be connected to several other neurons. Now, these dendrites are receiving the impulses and they are transferring these impulses, which are passing through the axon, and after reaching to the neuron, they are lent or given to other neuron, and the other neuron is connected with this neuron through the dendrites. That means you can understand it this way. This is a neuron and this is another neuron having the same structure. This is dendrite and this is nerve ending. Here, if this is a neuron, another neuron, this is the dendrite portion. These are the dendrite portion and these are the nerve endings. So they are connected. Dendrites this way. Now you can see the nerve ending of one neuron is connected with the dendrites of the another neuron this way. Correct? Suppose this is one neuron, this is the dendrite, and this is the nerve ending. Here also, this is another nerve. These are the dendrites, and these are the nerve endings. They are connected nerve ending in this form. Dendrite to nerve endings, nerve endings to dendrite. So this nerve is also connected with the previous nerve at their nerve endings through their dendrite. That is, the dendrite of one nerve is connected with the nerve ending of another. So this is one neuron. It is finishing here at the end by nerve endings, and another the dendrites of another nerves are connected with here. Now the impulses passes through this axon, reaches to the nerve endings, and it is distributed given to the another neuron, which is received by the nerve ending of that neuron. Got it? Now, what is the function of this myelin sheath or the nodes of Ranvier? So the myelin sheath protects the soft and delicate axon. Moreover, the nerve fibers and the myelin sheath together provides the protection and strength to the neurons. These nodes of Ranvier and myelin sheath together give the speed. That means they give the pace. They speed up. As this is the longest nerve in our body, if this impulse is received from dendrite and while reaching to the nerve ending, the speed or the intensity or the potential of the impulse definitely may decrease, but this doesn't happen. This is because of the myelin sheath and the nodes of Ranvier and other. There are some other contents also here which I am not showing you, which you will learn in higher classes. They all together not only protect this soft and delicate axon, but they also pace up the impulse which is received by the dendrites, so that the intensity of the pulse will not decrease while reaching up to the nerve endings. Got it? Now the next nerve is connected. The next neuron is connected with the previous neuron at the nerve ending, and that junction, the connection is called synapse. Synapse. I will discuss this later on. Synapse. Correct? Now this was all about human neuron. These are the parts and function of some of the important parts of the human neuron. Watch it carefully. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Human nervous system is a complex chapter. If you will not concentrate it carefully, you will miss many things. We are starting. When we will enter in different parts of the brain, there also we will have a lot of confusions. So, dear students, be careful, concentrate, watch it again and again, and of course, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.